Hello, thank you for your visit, my friends. Welcome to our garden today. This is our late spring visit. It's just a week, 2 weeks before the official start of summer. And look, our rose arch here is now in bloom, and we expect these blossoms to provide us display until perhaps late summer. Kaya bumalik kayo at subaybayan ang ating kasaysayan ng ating rosas. Parang drama, kasaysayan ng ating rosas dito sa Channel 1. And the biggest reveal during this visit is ipapakita ko yung itlog ng aking bird.
You're watching the gardening series of Channel 1. This is John Romilo at his garden.
I'll be touring you to the polytunnel, and I'll be showing you also the developments at the back of our dampa. Ano pa ang aking ipapakita? Welcome to our tropical department. To be honest with you, it's not very encouraging here. It's still cold and my plants are not growing. They've been here for a month now and they stop growing. My ampalayas don't even climb. They really got stunted. Maliit, hindi sila lumaki. Yeah, plants really need high temperature. Tropical plants, they need above 30 to grow, but it's been always below 20. So they just sleep. Whew. To be honest, I'm not very optimistic, but please help me boost my hope. Despite the pessimism doon sa tropical crops natin, I'm happy to announce na ito. I was apprehensive the last visit dahil natulog ang ating grapes. It slept. Now it has woken up and it's showing buds. Lumabas na, nabuhay. Yeah. I'm happy. The next time you visit, this arch will be green, perhaps with grapes. I don't expect grapes kasi it's the first year after transfer. Natulog siya eh. But we have other grapevines that are bearing fruits now. Yeah. Oh, by the way, may nakita akong peras. I just saw it today. Papakita ko.
Even the apples and pears this year are very limited. Really.
I don't know, but this year the crop is not very encouraging. Even my apples, hindi sila masyadong namunga. I don't know what's wrong. My tropical, the polytunnel plants are not even growing. Medyo nakakalungkot. Nakisimpatya yata sa kalagayan ng mundo ng ating COVID na yan. Imagine May, middle of May, nag-snow at pinatay ang aking mga halaman. It never happened in history. Snow in May. Whew. Pero, ang aking excitement is this. Nag-submit ako ng film to BBC in one of their gardening programs. Kung ma-feature yun, if it gets shown on the program, that will be my biggest harvest this year. Totoo. It's even more important than monetization for me. Yeah.
For those of you who don't have access to BBC, this is a clip from the program.
That scale. And of course, haven't all got space for 15-metre high magnolias, but thankfully there are plenty of small, compact cultivars that will work in most gardens. That then bursts open and then produces these very, very delicate pink blooms with a boss of carpels and floral structures in the centre. What more could you ask from a flower?
Ganyan ang gusto kong tunog ng English.
I put it here, dito pala. I don't know which side. I put it here sa link and in the description box kung gusto nyong panoorin. Yeah, it's a short film, just 2 minutes. Garden visit. Nag-English ang kuya doon. Ito pa pala, malungkot na saysayan, malungkot na kwento. Nag-snow ba naman noong Mayo, noong middle of May, pinatay ang aking mga kalabasa. Kaya magpapalit tayo ng halaman. Yes, pinatay. So we'll be planting new plants at ano pa ba ang aking ipapakita? At magmumukbang tayo. Yeah, it's a healthy mukbang. I remember this was said, who did mukbang on Dunkin' Donuts. I can't forget that. This is a healthy mukbang. And I'll be giving you some house and garden tips. I think I forgot to show you this the last time you visited. These are strawberries. Strawberry mga to. Fresas. And look, I have here 2 fruits now. Mukbangin natin. Our very first harvest. Siyempre, hygiene muna. Look, everything is here. Strawberry, water. It's sweet. It's really sweet. I'll reserve the next. Kainin ko na rin kaya. Kainin ko na. Masarap. It's really sweet. Nahulog pa. It's really sweet. Ganyan talaga, if it's limited in availability, kaya ito dalawa lang, masarap. Kaya yung mga eat all you can na yan, hindi masarap. The very first fruits of my labor. Tingnan din natin yung mga peas doon. Gusto ko na rin mukbangin. May peas. Ayan. May bunga na rin. Perhaps in 2 or 3 days, we'll be stir-frying peas. May chapsuy na siguro tayo or pansit. At pati itong ating harap ng ating dampa has been planted with dahlia at zinnia or encantadora. Papakita ko.
They are still very young, just planted last week. The pond is also teeming with living things now. And the cypress are healthy, and the other side is also planted with zinnias and the trellis is also heavy with clematis. Don't forget to come back for the blossoms. Orange blossoms are coming.
And do you remember during the last visit, dumaan tayo rito para ipakita yung ating kiwi at the back of the shed. I feel guilty. Merong ibon, di ba? Natakot siya sa akin. Ang aking nag-iisang bird, natakot at lumayas. Iniwan ang kanyang mga itlog. Ipapakita ko rin.
We don't want to end with a sad note, so ipapakita natin ang mga greens, ang mga harvest natin that are coming here at the garden. And not only that, yung ating windowsill, yung ating bintanang naging nursery, ngayon ay maayos na. Hindi na amoy lupa sa bahay. And also the flowers of spring are in full bloom now. Treat to the eyes. Enjoy.
Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to have you again next time as we bring you our cooking series at the kitchen and here for our gardening and provincial cooking series. Until next time, your Kuya Uncle here, and if you enjoyed what you just seen, don't forget to share and subscribe na rin. And if your preference is on travel, try my Bariwin. That's the same Kuya who's presenting there. Until next time, uwi na tayo. Until next time. Agyaman natin kay panagbuya ken Diyos nagpati.